M&R dryers have exhaust blowers mounted to them on the top of the unit. This is a Sprint 2000 dryer. We have a 12-inch tubaxial fan exhaust blower on this unit. The plumber will soon connect his ductwork to our flange. He's going to use a collar going around the flange to his first piece of duct, giving me about a 10 to 12-inch gap. The collar can be removed at a later date in case we need to service the exhaust blower unit. Ducting is typically done with double wall duct. Double wall creates an insulation barrier to keep the vapors hot on their way out of the building. Single wall is not permitted in most cities, so always check your local codes. It's the plumber's responsibility to work with you to ensure the ducting is done correctly. All exhaust ducting must be secured or strapped to the ceiling in order to support it during repairs or preventative maintenance. Exhaust ducting must never have a 90-degree bend in it. This creates back pressure in a dryer system and creates a place for lint to accumulate in the exhaust ducting. In a situation where a ceiling beam or a light fixture may be in the way of the exhaust duct, a maximum of two 45-degree angles can be installed into the ductwork. However, the ideal way to run ductwork off of any dryer is a straight shot from the blower on the unit through the ceiling. Some M&R gas dryers have end hoods at the infeed and outfeed of the dryer. These hoods have a 6-inch diameter flange on them. These are provided in case a customer would like to add additional exhaust ducting. These end hoods and the ducting associated with them must never be tied into the main exhaust blower on the dryer. The result is that the air being exhausted through the main exhaust duct will then be rerouted down to the end hoods and blown out to the infeed and outfeed. Some M&R customers choose to run additional exhaust ductwork from the infeed and outfeed hoods on M&R gas dryers. This ducting is connected to each 6-inch flange. The duct is then run at a 45-degree angle above the dryer, then connected into a single and separate duct, which is vented through the ceiling. Another way of running exhaust ductwork from the infeed and outfeed hoods is by connecting individual stacks to the 6-inch flanges, then venting them straight up through the ceiling. Some customers choose to have duct boosters with variable speed controls installed into the infeed and outfeed exhaust hood ducting in order to draw residual heat and exhaust away from the garment entry and exit points. Consult your contractor for more information on this subject. Outfeed hoods on Sprint 2000 HO models come standard with an exhaust blower and heat-resistant skirting material on them. However, this option is available for standard Sprint 2000 models as well. Consult your M&R representative for more information.